brand new. Not even out for an hour. The date marks on it. Yeah, look, you can see it there perfectly. So it's just been bought, like.
So I have decided to make this video just to prove that the dishwasher came with a few smashes. So you can see that one here. I don't know what caused that. And you can see here as well, somehow, yeah, it's not perfect here. It looks like that the door went to the left side and it's not aligned with the rest of the dishwash. And then here as well, you can see here, yeah, it's full of problems. You can see here as well. And then it came with this screw at the top, which is quite odd. And then I went to find out, I'm going to show you that the lid here at the top is not actually attached. It came open. And then this was broken as well. So you can see I haven't even unpacked the dishwash yet. And we got this here as well. Which is quite sad because we were really excited with this dishwasher, but
it was 17 minutes past 10 on the 2nd. Just got the dishwasher delivered about over an hour ago, and I've just noticed that the door is bent and there's a crack